friends, let's play What Am I? Here we go. Spider. Who are you? I am a spider. Where do you live? I live on the web. What do you eat? I eat bugs. How do you catch the bugs? I spin webs to catch the bugs. Ladybug. Who are you? I am a ladybug. Where do you live? I live on the grass, leaves, and on flowers. What do you eat? I eat small insects and fruits. What do you drink? I drink nectar and water. Honeybee. Who are you? I am a honeybee. Where do you live? I live in a hive. What do you eat? I eat nectar and pollens. Why do you collect nectar and pollens? So I can make honey. Butterfly. Who are you? I am a butterfly. Where do you live? I live in many places, such as under the leaves, between the rocks, and on the top of the flowers. What do you eat? I eat a variety of fruits such as banana, apple, and pears. How many wings do you have? I have 4 wings, the forewings and the hind wings. Practice. I can fly. I make honey. I love flowers. What am I? That's right, I am a honeybee. I love nectar. I am black and red. I eat small insects. What am I? Yes, I am a ladybug. It's time for a test. What does a spider make? Honey or web? The right answer is web. Well done, kids. We had lots of fun today. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Till then, goodbye.